Listen, you got broads in Atlanta, I got my wife up in JANNAH. Did it all for the Azure. Bismillah, fix my intentions. Palaces, golden. You see me, I'm ballin' in JANNAH. All I just wanted was JANNAH, so I'm saying bunch of henna. Wine rivers, chillin', Horo ain't women. Halal money, get it. We go to Saudi, spit it. And this go to all of my Akis, to the sisters, the realest hijabis, Philistinis and straight Pakistanis, all my Arabs and killer Afghanis. You got broads in Atlanta, I got my wife up in JANNAH. Did it all for the Azure. Bismillah, fix my intentions. Palaces, golden. You see me, I'm ballin' in JANNAH. All I just wanted was JANNAH, so I'm saying bunch of henna. Wine rivers, chillin', Horo ain't women. Halal money, get it. We go to Saudi, spin it. And this go to all of my Akis, to the sisters, the realest hijabis, my Somalis and straight Pakistanis, all my Arabs and killer Afghanis.
Habib Albi, yo Akhi, bring that divine wine, cause we about to enjoy this moment together. Alhamdulillah, we in JANNAH. Ain't no Astaghfirullah after that, you know what I'm saying? We worked hard for this.
Got my wife up in JANNAH. I'm praying Allah give me answers. Turning up in a hereafter. Allah is the best of the planners. Feeling like Adam, my wifey my only companion. I did it all for the Azure. I did it all for the earth. All of the deeds are granted, all of the seeds are planted. Ain't no more weeds in the garden, all of the hearts have been solved. Beautiful wives in JANNAH, I pray that we make it to JANNAH. Family, you should remember.